The unsolved mystery of the Antikythera Mechanism. The world's first computer, the Antikythera Mechanism explained. Display a dramatic visual of the Antikythera Mechanism, real or animated recreation. The Antikythera Mechanism is one of the most fascinating and enigmatic devices from the ancient world. Discovered in 1901 in a shipwreck off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera, this ancient Greek analog computer is believed to have been used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses for calendar and astrological purposes. Despite extensive study, the full capabilities and exact origins of the Antikythera Mechanism remain a mystery, capturing the imagination of historians, scientists, and archaeologists alike. Over 2,000 years ago, an ancient shipwreck revealed an impossible device. Was it the first computer? Show where the Antikythera Mechanism was found. Map visuals, underwater footage. Briefly explain it was discovered in a Greek shipwreck in 1901. Show animations of the device in motion, highlighting its gears. Explain it was used to track celestial events, eclipses, and possibly predict planetary positions. Explore theories, advanced ancient technology, lost knowledge, or extraterrestrial inspiration. Conclude with, how could something so complex exist in an age of simple tools? The secret remains buried in time. Display a full shot of the mechanism. The Antikythera Mechanism, an ancient Greek device, has puzzled scientists for decades. Discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of Antikythera in 1901, this intricate mechanism is believed to be an early analog computer, designed to predict astronomical positions and eclipses. Despite extensive research, the full purpose and complexity of the Antikythera Mechanism remain a mystery, leaving historians and scientists intrigued by its advanced technology for its time. What do you think? Was this the work of geniuses or something more mysterious? Share your thoughts and don't forget to subscribe for more unsolved mysteries.